Evening guys, hope you're all well. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we're at Aber Falls. I've been there before. Well, I've been there loads of times, but I mean, I filmed it once before, but I've had a lot more subscribers since then, so a lot of you wouldn't have seen it. And my footage is a bit different now. I've changed my style. Right, so I'm gonna head there now. Cue the intro.
Hello, we are Tea in Valhalla, and you're watching Day Hughes Hikes. Take it away, Day.
I don't know why you're looking that way. It's that way. Come on. Ouch. Don't know if you saw it in the shot, but there was a guy coming down then and he seen me doing that. What an idiot. Not him, me. All good fun. All fun and games. Come on. Oh, got to come back to the camera now, haven't I? Come on, will you hurry up? We want to see the waterfall. I can hear the waterfall. There it is. Let's get closer. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong bloody way. Is that way? Right, flies. Right, we're going home. Let's get a bit more enthusiastic about seeing this waterfall. Because it is a big waterfall. It's nice. It's lovely. I love it here. Don't want you dissing it. So, yes, day Hughes Hikes. I want to see the waterfall. Louder. That's better. Right, okay, come on then. Yeah, it's like a bloody pantomime. After a new job. Come on, let's go. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm in a silly mood. If you want me to tone it down, just let me know. But it's beautiful here, so it's hard not to be happy. Let's go and see this waterfall. Right, are you ready for it? Here we are. It's a beauty. Beautiful, isn't it? Love it. So was it worth the wait? Was it worth waiting through all that me messing about doing a load of B-roll? Yeah, I think it is worth it. Beautiful, I love it. Right, I'm gonna go now somewhere quiet, just over here. I think there's a smaller Aber Falls down here. Rhaeadr Fach. That's Rhaeadr Fach. This is Rhaeadr Fach down here, which means small waterfall. Yeah, in my last video anyway, I was over here. I come from this direction to get to Aber Falls, so it is different anyway. And I don't know if you see me go on Llwtmore one, where I climbed up the scree there up the side. I went over the top of Aber Falls there. It's ace up there. It's not great underfoot, but it's still nice up there. Lots of little mini waterfalls up there as well. Right, I'm going to find somewhere decent and quiet to cook, somewhere out of the way. Right, so this is Little Aber Falls, Rhaeadr Fach. Don't know if you can hear me because it's quite loud. So I'm going to look somewhere here to cook. Somewhere a little bit out of the wind though. Smells nice. Lovely. Right, tonight I'm cooking last night's leftover Chinese, reheating it up. Special in OK sauce and noodles, so that'd be nice. Don't think anyone's ever had a Chinese up here, I wouldn't have thought. But first for everything. Right, let's go over there and cook it. Nearly ready. Bit too much noodles. More noodles than meat and sauce. You smell the Chinese, haven't you, lads? Or girls? You're not having any, it's all mine. See ya. Gotta have chopsticks, haven't you? Lovely. Yum yum. Spot on. Right guys, thanks for watching. Just going to finish this off now. Still got quite a bit left. Finish my beer and then head down before it gets dark. I'm shouting because I'm not sure if you can hear me because of the waterfall. But yeah, this has been fun. Enjoyed it. Sorry if I was a bit over happy, but you've got to be happy in these times, haven't you? Right, thanks for watching. Ta-ra. Leave no trace. Bloody hell, I'm full.